Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to upload photos to Google Photos. Firstly, open Google Photos on your phone. Here are a lot of pictures present. Click on your profile from the top right corner. Here is an option of backup. You can turn it on. Here are some backup settings, like storage saver and original quality. Select original quality to store photos and videos with no change to their quality. Tap on confirm. Backup will start until all the pictures are uploaded. You can even upload several photos and videos at once. Google Photos offers free storage for higher quality photos and videos, while original quality uses your Google Drive storage. Google Photos allow you to edit and organize your photos, create albums, add captions, and more. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below as well, and I will see you in the next one.